Safety of our infrastructure is one of the most important aspects of what we do in engineering and public works. So maintaining our current infrastructure, making sure it's safe for our motorists, residents. Every 2 years, the state of Texas conducts what's called a Brunschap Survey. And it's bridge inspection, inventory, and appraisals of all the bridges in our entire system, not just in Collin County and Plano, but across the state. The Brunschap reports evaluate the superstructure, which is the deck, the railings up on top, the substructure, the piers below, the girders underneath the bridge, any kind of erosion or cracking due to just normal wear and tear, and they evaluate those different components. You'll even see reports and parts of their report that evaluate the erosion in the creek around the bridge structure. CIP Bond program actually has funding associated with these bridge maintenance projects. Every 2 years, we try to initiate a design and construction project. So within 4 years, we're doing 2 projects to address a number of bridges that have deficiencies. If there's anything that's urgent, TxDOT notifies us. If they go out and see something that's an extreme safety issue or something inside or under the bridge that's deteriorating or erosion causing safety issues, we address those immediately. You've seen issues where bridges haven't been properly inspected, that have caused issues or failures even, and we're trying to avoid anything like that, but just basically providing routine maintenance that's necessary to keep these bridges in good shape.